Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going outside. I know I'm just funky. Overalls, boots, and tank top. I'm getting my shoes on because I'm wearing my old boots. So if you guys are doing this, wear an old pair of shoes that you guys don't care if they get dirty or if they get wet, because today it is raining. And this activity can only be done in the rain. So we are out here. You can hear it. So you can hear it raining. We're just gonna stay on the porch and on concrete patio today. There's cat watching a video. She's a mess. But we are going to be doing a lot of different stuff today. First, I'm gonna start by asking you guys to please like and subscribe on any of your families or your things that you use to watch videos or YouTube or something. Like and subscribe and follow. Turn the post notification bells on. I was just checking my camera. So we have our green tractor here, and we're gonna go right here. This little digging area. Right here, we're just gonna do this and then just make some construction sites. So this is your construction site and this is your world. So you could put your construction site anywhere. But if you don't want to put a construction site, that's fine. But do what you want, but I'm just doing this to show what we can do. I'm not telling you that you have to do this, what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys what you can do. One of the options of what you can do on this activity. So, we're just gonna kind of clean this up here. If you need to pull out grass, that's fine. Or that's up to you and your parents. But see, I don't care. This is my house. I'm my own house. So I'm an adult. Or I'm a big kid and I've moved out and I'm married and I'm a grandpa. I'm actually a grandpa. If you guys didn't know, watch out. Come here. If you guys didn't know, my daughter, she had a kid, and so now I'm a grandpa. I haven't posted a video in a while because I've been so busy babysitting my grandkids, and you guys are gonna be able to see one of them one day. And it may not be one of my little grandkids, but you guys are gonna be able to see my grandkids. So happy Father's Day, y'all. It's a good day. For Father's Day, it's raining. So that's good. I've had family come over and grandkids come over today. But they came over and then they just said Happy Father's Day and they gave me a gift and then we talked for a few minutes and then they left. But I forgot to get my camera and video. But we are gonna go see my grandpa. And my dad's over here, he's in there with Mom. They're actually on their way. They ain't here yet, but they're on their way. So, and me and my brothers are gonna spend the day with them. So we're gonna be at our house, mine and my wife's house. My wife ain't here; she's gone. See, I don't know where she went, but she ain't here.
Get out of there! No! Look at the mess you're making up there. No! Get out of it.
So, we had to cut doing that short because I got in trouble. But, yeah, so we do have some fun stuff planned today. So, let's get the rolling. I'm going to sit you guys up here on the donkey wagon. The wagon with the donkey. With the donkey hooked up to it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to hold on, I'm gonna grab the toys real fast. Grab one. So yes, I do have toys and I do play with them on my channel. So, today is one of my fun days where we're having fun while we can before we have to do stuff. So, we have all my stuff that we're going to use today. But we may just go ahead and go inside later and grab some more. Depends on what I'm doing. See, I don't make plans or anything for what I'm doing. So I just do stuff. I just find random stuff to do and then I just do it. So, we're going to get in the truck. Hook up the trailer. And we're gonna go places. Let's go somewhere. Somewhere to have fun. While we can. The reason why I'm just doing have fun while you can video today. Because it's Father's Day, we don't have enough time. We don't have very much time. It's Father's Day, we don't have very much time to do a lot of stuff today because we are spending time with our dads or grandpas. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna cut this video off because my camera's getting wet. You guys have a wonderful Father's Day. God bless. Jesus loves you.